What's up, guys? It's Michael from Red Zone Digital. Really quickly, I'm going to show you how to manage the setup configurations on your Discord server using ChatBid. After you've installed the ChatBid app, go to any channel inside of your Discord server, type slash setup and enter, and that will initiate the configuration bot. A few things that you can configure are your auction feed. You definitely want to tell it, yes, I want to be able to send messages inside of this channel for auction items that you are running. Select content to watch. You can choose to inherit all auction items going through the ChatBid community if you so choose. Or the most likely scenario is that you only want to show items that you've selected to run in your Shopify store in your own shop. So I'm going to click Own Shop here. It's going to ask you for the shop ID. This is really important. Go to your settings inside of your Shopify store by clicking it on the bottom left-hand corner. You'll go to domains and the Shopify ID that you want to use. You might have a vanity domain or something that you've named it so that the URL is friendly for customers, but you're going to want to use this number here, which is the actual ID of your shop. Cut and paste that here. You can also leave out the .myshopify.com, click submit, and then it's now attached to your Shopify store. Here, you're going to select which channel you want the auction items to be sending the messages into. I have one called auctions feed. A few more other configurations is that you can select the bid style. Here you'll see inside of the ChatBid auction community, this is what it looks like as a full size image of the bid display style, or you can choose to say don't show an image at all, or you can say show a thumbnail. I'll say full image. You can also choose to do reminders when an auction is going to end in, I think, 30-second, 1 minute, 5 minute, and 10-minute increments by clicking on this button. And then this last button is cleanup. And as you'll see here in the ChatBid community, we have a cleanup so that all of the different messages that come through and people making bids or you making a bid, that all gets cleaned up after an auction item is ended. So we try to keep your channels nice and clean. So it's just going to say, here's how many bids you got, here who the winning bidder was and how many total bids came through. And that's only going to be one message after the auction has ended. So it goes through and cleans up a lot of those messages just to keep it nice and clean. So you can choose to whichever configuration you want in terms of how you want that to be cleaned up. You click save configuration and boom, you're ready to go. As soon as you click run inside of your Shopify store using the S2 Commerce app, those messages are now going to start sending into the channel that you've designated in the setup. Happy selling.